Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, are all of my thoughts truly my own? Most people never do. Why would they? Most of us go through life assuming that everything we think or feel comes from within ourselves. But here's the truth. Many of your thoughts and emotions come from external sources, and often they are not serving your best interest. Think about the last time you watched the news. Dramatic headlines, intense visuals, ominous music. Before you even process the story, your brain is already primed for fear or anxiety. This is not an accident. It's designed to keep you hooked, because the more you watch, the more profitable it is for them. But at what cost? Over time, the constant exposure to fear-driven narratives can leave you stressed, anxious, and emotionally drained, all for the benefit of their ratings and revenue. But here's the good news. You don't have to let external forces control your thoughts and emotions. Here's how to take back control. 1. Pause and question. Why am I feeling this way? Is someone trying to influence or control me? Number 2. Limit exposure to toxic media that leaves you feeling worse and not better. Number 3. Ground yourself with practical practices like meditation or journaling to reconnect with your authentic self. But have faith. There is hope. And it starts with awareness. Once you realize how external forces shape your thoughts, you can break free of manipulation and live your life with clarity and intention. In my book, The Human User Manual, I share practical tools to help you reclaim your mind and your emotions. Are you ready to take control of your life? Then get your copy today.